Hello everyone, we are going to know about the sensor for the equipment. The basic sensors type is below. The first of all we talk about is the photoelectric sensors. As the name is use the electric power to form an optical force and eject the optical power out and to our measurement target. This is what we want to detected object and the power back to receive by the sensor. It used to detect there is or no object of if the distance if suitable. And we can adjust the distance to let it show yes or no signal to our control center. We can adjust it by some button, and if we set the sensor here and the object is here, we can push the button to set it yes, and we can see the light is on. Then it's success set up. This is the way. So the setup, we can download the menu of it and to set up it properly. Next, fiber sensor. Fiber sensor controller is here, and use two fiber A, fiber B, and there is the distance here. Fiber A eject the power out to the fiber B, and the fiber B to receive the electric optical power and send the message to the controller. It can use at the condition we want to know if object between lane. For example, this is the fiber A and the fiber B. If there is an object here, Then the fiber A optical line eject but cannot receive by the fiber B because the object stopped the optical power here. So fiber B cannot receive the object signal. So fiber B can tell the control center there's something between us. So the fiber sensor also adjustment just like the photoelectric sensor. There is some button to set up the sensitive, and if there is a light here, if B receive the optical signal, it will tell yes and the light on. If the B receive no optic signal, it will tell the control center no, is light off. So we adjust the distance between the A and the B, and adjust the sensitivity of the amplifier. This is we call the amplifier. We can adjust the sensitivity of the amplifier, and we adjust the distance between the A and B for every condition. You can also download the menu to see the detail and to set up it correctly. Then this is the position sensor. The same function, eject an optic signal, and if something here it reject the signal to the sensor and the line on, and it will tell the control center there is something here. This is the position sensor. Usually at the condition we want to detect object if on the sensor or not. So we call it position sensor. Next, a proximity sensor. Also, it has the amplifier, or we call it controller. Through a fiber, the controller sends a message at this sensor head. Eject an optical signal. If there is an object here, it will reject to the head. Then the amplifier will know if there is an object approaching. It usually put at a workbench. Here is the head. The workbench label is here. Chemical label is here. It can tell control center the chemical label is go to the right position. It will stop filling the chemical. It also can be adjusted by engineer following the menu sequence. This is the expensive specific sensor we call the image sensor. Use this sensor, we usually shoot with fixed software. This is the optic receiver to let the object image into a camera. Then it will deliver the image to the control center. And the control center has the software calculus and to form the result what we want. So it's easy to say that the camera photoed the object's image and sent to the control center with using the software to get the result for the detection. This is the basic sensors type at a workbench. Okay, that's all. See you next time.